During a press conference, Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha expressed confidence that the BJP will win all 28 seats in the upcoming ADC elections, while also commenting on the current situation within the council. When questioned on this, the Chief Minister used an analogy to explain the party's stance. He likened the election to an academic exam, stating that when someone sits for a 100-mark paper, they do so with the hope of scoring a perfect 100. Similarly, since there are 28 seats in the ADC, the BJP is aiming for a clean sweep of all 28.
পাহাড়টা আর কিছু সমতল জায়গা খালি ত্রিপুরাতে এসছে, তো আমাদের জন্য এটা তো একটা অনেক সমস্যা হচ্ছে, যে কারণে ল্যান্ডলক হয়ে গেল না স্টেটটা, মানে চার ভাগের 3 ভাগে আমরা বাংলাদেশ দ্বারা গেল। তো সাউথ ইস্ট এশিয়ার যেটা প্রবেশদ্বার আমাদের কিন্তু আজকে ত্রিপুরাটা হয়ে গেছে। যদিও আমরা অলরেডি আগের যখন বাংলাদেশের যিনি সরকারে প্রধান ছিলেন ওই সময়ে আমরা যে মৈত্রী ব্রিজ অলরেডি তৈরি আছে, কানেক্টিভিটি রেলও, তো এগুলো যখন হবে আশা করি আগামী দিনে সেগুলো রিস্টোর হবে।
Sir, coming back to the ADC again, sir, you have categorically said it will be on development that the issue will be in this election, but repeatedly the ADC, those who are in the government, they say the fund allocation is less. You say it has been more than what they deserve, but there has been no uses those are coming. But the CEO categorically said that they had asked or requested you to be there in meetings, but you did not attend those meetings. How do you counter that?
Just tell me, the political situation at present, the scenario, you know. So if you say already in assembly, I already categorically I have mentioned that what percentage of money we are giving to ADC. You see, in 2025-26 budget, we have already given about 39.06% to ADC. ADC area, particularly this tribal areas for development. And in 2025-26 this budget allocation, there also it is going to be up about more than 40%. And you see, there are some committed expenditure. For example, you have to give the salary of your government. Then this social pension you have to give, you want to give. Then this pensioners you have to pay. Then you have to repay the this interest also. So if you remove that one, out of these we are giving this one. So they do not understand. They don't want to understand those what calculation we are giving. So intentionally they do not try to understand. But calculation says whatever we are giving, not only that. After 2018, when our government already had come to the power in the state, for development of hospital, my predecessor already had given 30 crore for development of the hospital in Khorang. And few months back, I have given 30 crore again. Out of those, you see, for the development of this only for ADC or this tribal area, we have taken the fund from the World Bank, about 1,400 crore. Road, school, and then this electricity, everything. Then for this element project, 1,700 crore we have taken. And that is also for this tribal areas development and all. So what they say, you see they are not giving properly. And everybody knows what is happening there. You see, there are some employees who have already retired.
Pension.
So they are not giving their pension. This is not our liabilities. You have already engaged them, and without taking the consultation of our finance department. So this is your job. We almost on a total money, most of the money we are getting from the central. So this is your deficit in your finance management. So this is your problem. So here we are also separately for the salary purpose.
committed.
Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini Khorang.